We continue this week with our exposition of the Creed. This week, I'd like to say a few things about the person of the Holy Spirit. In the Creed, he is mentioned third, after the Father and the Son. We can even say that he is the third person of the Trinity. But if God is eternal, what does third mean? Can any kind of ordering have meaning when one is talking about God, in terms of God's eternal now? If the ordering, first, second, third, is a temporal order, then the answer is clearly no. God does not exist in time like creatures. Any order that we assert of God cannot be a temporal one, and yet we still must affirm that there is an order in the Trinity. The order is an order of origin. But here again, we must attempt to purge our thinking of any temporal connotations. The word origin brings to mind a beginning, a time when something or someone was not. And yet, there was never a time when the Son was not, nor was there a time when the Holy Spirit was not. Time really doesn't apply here at all. The order is an eternal order of origin. There's no before and no after in terms of time, but there is nonetheless an order. For instance, if someone asked who the Father is from, the answer would be that the Father is from no one. He's the first person in the Trinity. If someone asked who the Son is from, the answer would be that the Son is eternally begotten of or from the Father. He's the second person in the Trinity. If someone asked who the Holy Spirit is from, we would answer that he eternally proceeds from the Father and the Son. He's the third person in the Trinity. The persons of the Trinity are distinguished precisely by this eternal order of origin. So who is the Holy Spirit? He's the third person of the Trinity, the one who proceeds from the Father and the Son. If the Holy Spirit is the third person, is he in any way less than the other two persons? Again, our theology would answer no. He's not less. He, like the Father and the Son, is fully God. All the attributes that are given to the divine essence would therefore be attributed to each divine person, to the Father, to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit. All three are infinite. All three are almighty. All three are creator. All three are holy. All three are God. And yet, there's only one God, not three. One God, three divine persons. That is our faith. A faith that begins with our confession of God being one in a trinity of persons. Until next time, God bless.